Empowering environmental responsibility. Kamil English Medium School's new eco-burner incinerator. The installation of the eco-burner incinerator is not just a technological upgrade, it is a reflection of Kamil English Medium School's broader vision for a sustainable future. We believe that every small step counts when it comes to protecting our planet, and this new addition to our campus is a testament to our unwavering commitment to environmental stewardship. As an educational institution, we recognize our responsibility to lead by example in the fight against environmental degradation. With increasing awareness of climate change and its impact, it has become imperative for schools to adopt practices that minimize their environmental footprint.